Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe as well. This is the goodness of 5th grade mathematics. Lesson 24, module 2. This is a program called Eureka. We're going to show two simple divisions. The only difference between these two divisions is that the second division, the divisor has been multiplied by 10. Let's do the first one, so we're going to rewrite it in the algorithm form. So we're going to make this, let's make it yellow. So it's going to be 2.4 divided by 8. So clearly you can see, you can say, these are the steps you can follow. If you already mentally can do this, you don't have to watch this video. You ask yourself, how many groups of 8 can you make out of 2? And the answer is 0. You upload the decimal point to the quotient area. And then you ask yourself, how many groups of 8 can you make out of 24? And if you know your multiplication tables, your fact families, you know that if you have the 24 and you have the number 8, then the remainder number is 3. That's the answer. So that will be the quotient. 3 times 8 equals 24, and the remainder is 0 as you subtract it. Simple division, right? So the answer will be 3/10. Now, if you can mentally look at this and say, okay, if this is the same, this number is going to be 10 times as smaller than that number. So now you can say that the answer here is going to be 300. But let's prove it. So on this way, on this division, we're going to do it a little different. This is how we've been practicing it in class. So we're going to rewrite the division. We're going to rewrite it in this manner. 80 is made up of two numbers, 8 and 10. So now we rewrite the division and write 2.4 divided by 10. And we always do the 10 because it makes it easier to divide. And it's going to be divided by, the answer is going to be divided by the 8. When you do this division, you know, my students have learned that any number divided by 10 is going to be 10 times smaller than that one. So the answer here should be 24 hundredths. Now we're going to divide it by the number 8. And now notice that this is the same thing as here. This is 2 4/10, and this is 24 hundredths. So now we're going to solve it. So we're going to again use the standard algorithm, and we say 2400 divided by 8, and we follow the same procedure. How many groups of 8 can you make out of 2? And the answer is 0. We upload the decimal point. We ask ourselves, how many groups of 8 can you make out of 24? And the answer is 3. So 3 times 8 equals 24. The remainder is 0. So now we know that the answer in this problem is 3 hundredths, just like we predicted. And we can write it here now, and we can compare it to the number on the first division. If you can identify the differences between the whole number and the divisor, then you can identify the answer without any problems, my friends. So please watch the video again and become a good mathematician. Just practice, that's all it takes. Because mathematics is an exact science. And if you want to get better, you will get better. You have a choice. You have the power in you. You have the power in your hands. Practice them again. Look at them again. Review the video. Signing out from a Studio 520, my friends. Your coach, Magnifico.